you're a real driver, stay right here.
Y'all, it was cold here in Missouri. I had to start out the day getting my hubby's truck ready for him to go back over the road. And of course, I had to start the day out with none other than some coffee. I know it's not Dutch Brothers, but it'll have to do. I always tell my husband I have to have some kind of caffeine in the morning to get me going, otherwise I'm like a zombie. And it's freaking cold here in Missouri. Let me tell you, my husband's gel memory foam mattress topper was rock solid whenever I got in here. I had to start out by replacing his sheets and putting clean ones on the bed. Making the bed in the semi is an interesting task, to say the least. I've gotten a lot better at it, but sometimes it really just makes me mad, and I want to burn the whole thing down. But that's okay, we gotta do it because we love our men, right? Maybe I'll do a tutorial on how I make the bed in the semi, because it's definitely a learned skill. Alright, we got clean sheets on the bed, and now I'm just gonna put away his clean laundry. I do this for my husband every time he comes home, and I honestly enjoy doing it for him. I think acts of service is one of my love languages, but he does a lot for me and the kids by sacrificing his time and his body working to provide for us. So I wanted to let him know I appreciate that. Do any of the other trucker wives feel like your husband is cheating on you whenever they eat delicious food without you? My husband's always eating good food over the road, and I'm pretty jealous, I'm not gonna lie. He's always sending me pictures of his food, and I'm just like, really? I'm obsessed with these air fresheners from Cavenders. They're made of leather, and this one smells like leather, and I'm just gonna put it in the truck for my husband. Now that the truck's done, I'm just gonna say goodbye to the hubby, and that is it for my video. Thank you guys for watching.